Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Tesla Model Y. To use the key fob, simply press the top button once to lock or twice to unlock all doors in the trunk. Hold the trunk button to open the rear cargo area or the front trunk button to access the front. This method is straightforward and reliable for quick access to your vehicle. Your phone can act as a key after pairing it through the Tesla app. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone for automatic unlocking as you approach. For the key card, simply tap it against the B-pillar, located between the front and rear doors, to lock or unlock. It is a great backup option. If you are inside and need to exit without power, pull the mechanical release lever located near the window controls on the driver's door. If your phone key isn't working, verify your phone's Bluetooth is on and the Tesla app is running in the background. Sometimes, a quick restart of the app can resolve minor glitches. If your Tesla Model Y has no power, you can still access it. Manually open the driver's door from the inside by pulling the mechanical release lever near the window controls. For external access when the low-voltage battery is depleted, you might need to jump-start it. Also, if you're looking for durable and comfortable socks, check out Darn Tough. They offer a lifetime warranty, so be sure to check the description for a link to those and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.